Alright guys, so I'm going to continue modifying my Corolla for my daily driver, and today I got a spoiler to put on it. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so we don't want to wash the whole car because we're lazy, so we're going to need to clean this off, and we'll use some alcohol. Alright, so we're just going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean this all off because we're too lazy to give it a full wash. Alright, gotta make sure you get off all the dust so the adhesion works better. Alright, let's see what this looks like in here. This is just a cheap wing. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Alright, that's the way it looks. Let's fit it on and see. Kind of fit over that original lip, kind of like that. Alright, so I'm going to use adhesive, and we'll tape up all around the edges everywhere, make it good, and then we'll stick it on. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. Looks just like the OEM tail, spoiler, and luckily I think we did it pretty evenly.